Hi everybody, Dr. Michael Horowitz, your friendly neighborhood chiropractor here in Vancouver. Today I'm here with Josh Raber of Vancouver Diamonds. Josh is going to help me demonstrate a number of exercises that are going to help keep you in tip-top form, help prevent injury, and improve your posture. Exercise is an important component of spinal hygiene. When you combine physical activity with stretching and regular spinal checkups with your local chiropractor, you're practicing perfect posture and helping to make sure your small aches and pains don't become big ones. Okay, so today's first exercise of the day is called the push-up. We're going to get Josh to set himself into push-up position. We want to make sure that his hands are right underneath his shoulders to prevent any excessive stress. Push-ups are a simple and easy exercise you can do at home. Great way to build strength in the biceps and the triceps, as well as into the pectoral and the deltoid muscles. These are important muscles for overall posture, strength, and overall health. Okay, and today's exercise is the front plank. We're going to get Josh to go into the front plank position on his forearms. And what you want to do is keep your core engaged, and you're going to feel a lot of good strength and stress through the abdominal muscles as well as the shoulders and the forearms. Core strength is extremely important for overall spinal health, and you want to keep breathing through this exercise and try to see if you can get to 15 seconds, 30 seconds, or maybe 45 seconds. Core strength using front plank. Thanks, Josh. This next exercise is called the lateral or side plank. We're going to have Josh turn onto his side with his weight on his lower leg as well as his elbow and arm, with the second arm to his side. And keep breathing through this exercise. This is a great exercise for core strength, which is important for posture and overall stability. A modification of this exercise is a hand behind your head. Keep breathing. And this is great for your abdominal muscles, core strength. Thanks, Josh, that's great. This next exercise is called the Tricep Dips. It's great if you have a chair. What you want to do is set your feet forward and then start to dip yourself down using the strength of your biceps and triceps. Also great strength and stabilization around your shoulder joint. To make this harder, move your feet forward. To make this easier, move your feet closer to you. That's great, Josh. That'll help your wrist shot for sure. Thanks for watching. Again, my name is Dr. Michael Horowitz, your friendly neighborhood chiropractor in Vancouver. If you'd like more information on spinal hygiene and how to treat your aches and pains with chiropractic naturally, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. We've got a lot of great videos coming your way. And if you want more information, you can always visit our website at vancouverchiropractic.net, where you can book an appointment online or you can email us with any questions that you have. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone. We'll see you soon.